Kalyong oh.
Wow! This is Sissilex. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Smile ka, Gwen.
Dito na lang po kami.
Hindi siya masyadong hangin. I'm taking a video.
Sige, so guys, so here we are. So this is one of the itinerary of our 12 friends. So naatay ni today is
We're here at...
Select. Sige, ipakita mo sa Yeah. So yeah, this is the world and famous Sisalaks of Cebu City here in the Philippines. So as you can see, the ocean is very vast. So wow.
Wow.
Shit, I want to swim. I want to swim.
Aka na yung phone mo.